lost in the Delta Quadrant, but now she's back in my bedroom. USS Voyager, the Intrepid class, NCC 74656. Number of decks 15. She is gorgeous. So yeah, once again, just mentioning that Voyager was the first Star Trek series that I was able to watch from beginning till end, at one go. I had seen a lot of TOS, I'd seen a lot of TNG. Deep Space Nine came much later. Enterprise also came much later, but Voyager was the one that at least I was able to watch, from beginning till end. Captained by Kathryn Janeway. What else? Lost in the Delta Quadrant, taken by the Caretaker. Beautiful ship. I think 140 was the crew people. Wait, let me just check. Captained by Kathryn Janeway, 343 meters, 15 decks. Yeah, 141 was the crew complement. A lot of people died. Initially, she got a few people added on throughout the 7 years that she was lost in the Delta Quadrant. Famous for having the EMH in that series. The Doctor is my favorite character. Really funny, a really excellent actor, Robert Picardo. Okay, so let's take a look at the ship. I'm a little worried that the stand isn't that sturdy. Let's just give it a try anyhow. So here she is. Try to focus. Let's try this way. Am I mistaken, or does it look like it's a little too long compared to what I see on the screen? Maybe. No, I think it's probably correct. That's where the shuttles come out, the shuttle bay launcher. To be careful, I dropped the USS Equinox, so be careful that I don't drop this one. Yeah, take a look at the back. There's the aero shuttle area. I like the way she looks from this angle, but I don't know, it just makes me feel like it's slightly longer than I remember it. Haven't seen it on series. I'm still watching the series again. This is my 5th or 6th time that I'm watching some of the episodes. So flipper on her back. That's the aero shuttle. It's a missing, man. I really wish they had actually shown that on screen. The deflector. And Voyager was a pretty different ship compared to a lot of what Starfleet was putting out. Okay, so that's the USS Voyager. She's one of the favorites. It's been very difficult to get this ship. It's been sold out for a while, I guess. I tried eBay and Amazon, and a lot of people were selling it for ridiculous amounts of money. Ridiculous for someone like me who lives in India and has to do the conversion rate of dollars to Indian rupees, and I didn't want to spend too much on this. Ended up spending around $33, which is fine. 34, 35 is the maximum that I'm willing to shell out for one of the ships. It comes to around 2,600, something like that. So I don't want to spend way more than that. That's the budget that I've kept for these ships. So yes, she looks beautiful. This is my 7th ship so far. I've got coming up. I've got the Romulan Warbird. That's from Hong Kong. That takes way too long. This one is from Germany, and I've got one more ship that I made a purchase yesterday, and it's already shipped today, so I should be getting it in 10 days or 9 days from now. So that is the USS Defiant. So my fleet is coming up pretty good. Okay, thanks guys. Take care of yourself. Bye.